Well, good morning. It's Stacy from PeonyLandDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Feels like I haven't done this in forever, and I know I have. Obviously, you can hear I'm still sick. I can hear I'm still sick. I don't know about anybody else, but I feel like in some ways I've gotten better and in some ways I've gotten worse. So I don't feel like I'm running a fever anymore, but I am congested and coughing and my throat hurts because of the coughing, and I'm not happy. I'm not happy because I have so much work to do. I'm on my way home from dropping off the kid. I've got to clean out Shade, my car, to get that chair out of the booth because next week is Picket. Because of course I'm behind. I don't know. I think I'm gonna get ahead. I never do. Of course I'm behind. I haven't been to Vintage Junkie in 2 weeks because they're open on Tuesdays now, and I can't get my crap together on a Monday and a Sunday. I'm struggling to get my act together on those days. And then I have parents' night tonight at volleyball, so we gotta go there. At least that's something I want to do. I want to be there for my kid, but I have to go get Shade cleaned up because that car is the only thing that'll fit the chair. So the chair, I honestly wasn't expecting it to be as large as it is. I thought I could fit it in this car. You cannot fit it in this car. There's no way that chair will fit in this car. And I got to get it out of there. I mean, it can't be in there next week. And Picket is, tomorrow they're going to start loading up the yard. And I'm like, I'm not ready. So today is clean out that car, find some restock stuff to put into the booth, get it all loved up tomorrow morning. Victoria doesn't have school tomorrow, so I can be there real early and get it done before it gets crowded at Picket. That's the plan, Stan. That's the goal, that's the plan. So I'm on my way home to go clean out Shade. And then hopefully that goes well. I don't even know what's in there anymore. I have no idea what's in that car. We'll find out in a minute. So that's a lot of stuff. And it's a mess. There's no hope for it. Just get after it. And then I'm going to probably take a nap today. Because, ew, I feel like crap. Front seat's not bad. And me. I'll just put you guys on time lapse while I clean all this out. And just get after it because I got to go in and do dishes. All right. I think I got it as clean as it's gonna be for now. Only because there's a mouse in my car. I live in the country. People always get upset when I say there are snakes in my garage, but I leave the snakes in the garage because of the mice. So I've never had mice in my inventory in the garage. So every box I've ever opened, no poop, no chewing, no nothing. I pulled a pillow out of the back of here and it was completely chewed. So somewhere in here, there's mouse. So I was pulling stuff out and I haven't seen it. So I'm going to have my husband put one bite in here to try and make sure that it's dead before I do anything else. I've got all the boxes that I can drive it and, you know, get the chair out tomorrow. Excuse me. I'm telling you, I'm not better. I feel better and worse at the same time. So we're going to have to deal with the mouse. And that's just one of the perils of living in the country, is that you get mice. And it doesn't take much for them to get in your car, unfortunately. Snakes are handy. Snakes. So I've got a bunch of boxes of stuff that was chewed, and that'll all have to be tossed. I went through every box that I had and went through each one, make sure that the mouse wasn't in it, repacked the stuff that was in those boxes, and put it in the van now. Fluffy probably has mice in it too at this point. It's been sitting so long, I wouldn't be surprised at all. But I don't want it in my car when I'm driving. So tonight there's going to be one bite in it, and that usually takes care of the problem. That's why it's called one bite. I didn't see them. I was digging, and then I didn't want to put my hands under the seat. So I pulled out what I could, and now I'm just going to have him. I pulled out enough to get the chair in, and now I'm going to have my husband put the one bite in and wait for that to do its job before we do any more. But I don't want to stick my hand under those seats. I have a feeling there's something under the seat. So let's let the hubby take care of that, and then we'll drive her. But yeah, I got most of the stuff out of the back. Some stuff I want to leave in here. The back seat's pretty well cleaned out, except the little stuff by the floor where I don't want to put my hands. But I got all the boxes out, and I've got a pile of stuff that needs to go in. I found the Tupperware replacement parts that Fred had sold me, and Janet has been finding pickle lifters without the inserts, and I'm like, I have inserts. I have 2 inserts, and she found 2 pickle lifters without the inserts. So I'm very excited, because that's why I keep the parts and pieces, because eventually they come together and they make me money. So she found one for like $2.90 and one for $5, and I've got the pieces from Fred, and they're $15 each once I put that pickle lifter in there. So very excited that I grabbed those out, and those are going in. And now I'm going to go in and rest. I hate to say that, because I feel like the last few videos have just been horrible for you guys. But I know that if I don't listen to my body and rest right now, this is going to get a lot worse. And so I think tomorrow I'm going to go do my booth and then come home and nap. And then Saturday is going to be a lot of napping. We're supposed to go to this soup party that they have every year, and I'm not going. I'm going to be in bed all day with my dog, cuddling. I'll probably do a project, and then, because I don't want to spend the whole day in bed. I just can't spend the whole day in bed. But after that, we'll just nap, because right now I feel like I've used every last ounce of energy that I have. But I know you guys understand. I've heard from you guys in South Carolina that you're doing, not so great. I'm sorry. I did hear that our National Guard is sending 1,000 troops today, and I know our electrical people have already hit the road to try and help you sort out the electrical problems. Donate blood if you can. I know there's blood drives all over here. Donate blood if you can. Donate money if you can. Do what we can to help our friends in different parts of the country, because that was unexpectedly bad. Was it unexpectedly bad for anyone else? I mean, I heard about it coming and knew that it was supposed to be a severe, I don't know. It blew my mind. It was like Katrina level, blown my mind here. So do what you can, help each other, look for the good. All right, I love you guys. Happy junking. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.